a simple command which doesn't take much time to understand it. The command is clear command. It's mostly useful for clearing your cluttered terminal screen. So suppose you execute many commands and you want to clear the screen. So you can't keep on typing this one, and you want to see an empty screen. At the time you can execute a command called clear, which will clears up the screen. So you don't need to like drag or type some other commands to clear the screen. So there is one more shortcut to clear the screen, that is called control L, which will clear up the screen. So I'm just going to press control and L on my keyboard, and we'll see. So it clears up the screen as well. Hope you enjoyed this session.